Alright guys, welcome back to Nostalgic Auto. I'm Dan here with my 92 Eagle Talon. And if you watched my first video, you know that I did a lot of driving in the rain. And I left my car pretty dirty, so today it's sunny out. It's pretty cold, but we're going to go take the Talon for a car wash. So let's go. Milk swill. Didn't want to let it warm up for a minute or two, and I took away the crap that was in the back seat. Except for I forgot the original radios here. Putting that guy back in sometime. I got to show you some of the other things that I got to take care of on the car too. That's fun to play with. Remember these manual balancer buttons? Very exciting. Alright, we're gonna give her a go. I think I'm driving on expired plates, but it's okay. I got my insurance card this time, so that's, you know, baby steps, right? My usual car has a backup camera, and I was just looking for one, but those did not exist in 1992. Time I'm driving this car while it's dry, so that's kind of exciting. It's really quite an experience. Worried about wind noise. So I rolled up your window. Mine's still open, so hopefully it'll be good for some TURB noise. Just now either is that these seats are really comfortable. This invertible bumper. Ooh, a lot of makeup in there. She's eating like an ice cream sandwich or something. That's kind of weird. Come on, green light. Oh. Stoplight. So this is going to be the first dry all-wheel drive launch since I've purchased the car. Oh. That was 60. I don't know what that was, but it was not slow. Woo. Got the old adrenaline going there. Should probably be a little more gentler. Be a little more gentle with my car. That was not going to be a regular. What I just did, that was not going to be a regular occurrence. Just wide open throttle, banging through the gears. You gotta see what it can do, you know. Boost really comes at like 3,000 RPM, but it really doesn't lag that much either. It's just like it hits another level, like a little more. I have no idea what I'm talking about. Oh, red light. All right, there's a pretty steep curve here, and I'm kind of worried about the lowness of the front of this car. Oh yeah, oh got it. All right. I think there's another one coming up though, so stay tuned. Stay tuned for that. All right, here we go, folks. Oh, this one is steeper. Oh boy, okay. Oh, okay, we got it. We made it to the car wash. All right. do everything. Oh, shut the window. Get on there. This friggin' mount thing already broke. I've had it for like 2 days. Oh, I think I hear another Turpski. Maybe we'll make friends today. Turpski friends. My car's better than his though, I already know that. That guy back there just totally saw me thumbs up my car. It's kind of funny. Car's clean. Why do you have to be broken already? YouTube career is not off to a good start. My glasses are all foggy. Air dry time. Towels are for suckers. Alright, I gotta sneak over the sneak over this pump again. And there's a car. Okay. Okay, we made it. What is that? Oh, it's a Supra. Hi, Turpski friend. Turpski friend, hi. Well, if it was a Turpski one, it might have not been a Turpski one. I don't know. It probably was a Turpski kind. Okay. So I just looked at my car. I don't know if it was because I was partway in this other lane because I'm turning, or if it was because he was like, "Well, cool, an Eagle Talon." It's probably the second part. Okay, air dry time. Here's what you need to know about air drying your vehicle. 2 options. Number 1. Use a leaf blower. Great option. I don't have one. The second option is drive as fast as you semi-legally can until the water blows off of your vehicle and becomes dry. I will demonstrate that now. Okay. The first part of that is to accelerate, so we'll do that right now. Just pay close attention. Oh, a bird! Probably see water as you accelerate. As you accelerate, what happens is you're going forward. The wind, you're hitting the wind. You're hitting the wind, and the wind, it pushes the water off of the vehicle. It's really crazy. What's that noise? Oh, there's the armrest. Everything's fine. Nothing broke. There's another bird. A Cooper's hawk or something. Not just like a... Oh, wow, it's really low. Wish it was over here so you guys could see it. Skin out myself. All right. Come on, guys. Oh, a boat. Hey, it's kind of cold out. Oh. what was I doing? Finishing the detail in my car. Oh, another low spot. Okay, here we go. Process. Just for you to end up with some water spots or something. Try the air dry method. I will say, what was I saying? I was going to say the lawnmower method. That's not the correct method. The leaf blower method is just also fantastic. But you know, it's not as fun. Not as fun. But not as fun as this. Not as fun as this. Went through a red light, lady. Top tip, folks. If the light is red before you go through the intersection, that's illegal. I don't think you were getting this much education today, did you? So we got it washed. Didn't quite have time to do the full detail today, but how good it's looking. And this looks good in the garage too. So I'm probably going to be cleaning her up pretty good here, but for now, I think that's gonna be it for this episode of Nostalgic Auto. So tune in next time for more Eagle Talon action. See you later. I freaking didn't put my seatbelt on again. Look at this. There's the lap belt. It's separate from this. And I keep forgetting to put it on. Put it on. There we go. It's that easy.